Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Vicky, and I make videos, mostly of Yiddish. And I'm doing it of 18 Forshay. Schap my pictures, and the mensen komen naar binnen zeggen, hey. En we zijn op zo'n koppel. Een koppel met zo'n tata met dat kind komen in schiel. En beide werden pink. Oh, that's mad cute. Not gonna lie. Ze gaat ze brengen de kinderen heen. That's how they, this is ook man, get introduced to us. Versus, we weten altijd, we zoeken, just kid, oder moet het niet. Goed dag, geven hem aan. Kijk dus de Rebbe. Rebbe, zo maar zeg maar zo. I mean, look to them, you know. The head, the record. Oh, they should get do cookies and Sachen, so. Das kommt doch even man dort mit der Cap. Mit der Yankee Cap. Nein, das ist kein Yankee Cap. Mit der Michigan, nein, New York Cap. Können wir sehen, da gehen wir mal mit dem Schein ums Wetter. Mit dem grünen Wetter. Schiegeschein. Not gonna lie. Er wacht mit dem Cover. Draai de geus. Come on. Draai de geus. Dat is dat shine, braune zwemmelbaden. So again, I shoot as a cut nicht kan beeld. Come on. Schicht match the sweater. Not gonna lie. Okay, het is geschoos gedraaid. Alright. Gaan je kan gapen. En je kan zien waar het is. Which is okay. That was a great miss. Nu de mensen komen naar ons in Schiel. Maar other guy in Schiel met een cover. So dat Geschmack Maße geschäft. Ik heb iemand iets in de rekel. Ik heb mijn beeld. This is one of a million builds dat je jetzt gehabt. One of a million. Ik ga dus wachten met dat kroon op zijn twillenwagen. Schön. Ik heb mijn picture van hem kroon. Oh, een mens met dat wasse cap. Hij gaat die aan hem door $1. Hello. Ik geef hem een tip. Als je kan beelden vinden. Hoe zei je dat een tip? What am I missing? I feel like now I'm hissing, really. Ik heb dat beeld nu eindelijk op mijn telefoon. En hij crossed. Dat kan niet gehabt zijn poenen.
Checking out over here?
Just making pictures of people. For 100 years from now.
Yeah?
Yes.
Documentary?
No, we're not going to be the same in 100 years from now. So somebody's got to take pictures and leave it.
The guy
Hopefully. And I also put it on YouTube, some of them.
I got a picture?
You got to go far though. I don't care. Just the lens is very big, so you don't want to have on me news. See?
Why do you need pictures?
Why do I need pictures? What do you mean need? Need is a very interesting. But somebody has a hobby of catching bees. Does he need to catch bees?
No.
But it makes him good.
Yeah.
Ish. Yeah.
Sunday.
No. I did it last year, but then winter comes along and it's like now it's very cold because you stand in one place. But hopefully, getting the
It's a nice lens.
see like him.
It's not like spying people.
This is spying. Come on, it's in the public.
Pictures of people like 100 feet away from you. And they have no clue.
And isn't that interesting? Like in 100 years from now, his grandkids will put in a picture and it will come up that he went to 18 Forshay. What's wrong with coming to 18 Forshay? So it's my Christmas a bit, but we won't look at it. I'm just kidding, I'm just messing around. And some go onto YouTube.
Channel?
Yes.
It's a car.
And if I see someone with a nice film body, I take a picture. Let's say you walk down. No, but
you're able to zoom out?
No, you gotta go like, if you want a good picture, go to the 18 sign. Go next then. I mean, if you want, obviously this wasn't like a, Nobody
this
really
is gonna
cares.
be your like home picture.
Nobody really cares. See the guy walking over there on the. Enjoy your day.
Yeah,
Be good. Then she has my conversation. I don't know if that will make it onto the visa heisters, but if it does, good for you. Morgen.
What's this for?
A couple of things. I post on YouTube some, and really it's for a 100-year project. No. Yeah. We're not going to remember how we look in 100 years from now. The world will change. So there'll be like a glimpse. Check out my channel, Biggie50. BIGGY50. If you want. It's Yiddish mainly, but another subscriber. Woohoo! Ich bin ein schwerer Salesman. Ich bin nicht öfter ein guter Salesman. Mach du mehr conversation wie a lot of other days. Gute conversations. Redt auf dem Telefon. Geht dazu. But he's got the money. He's got the money. He's off the phone, about to the bills. I get him out text, it's a shield, so. Die Chalib Yanim Shao. In einer Winter, they make the pious. It's kinda cool. It's kinda cool. Come on, ik had zich sicher ausdrehen, die geven man do. Come on. You should get a picture, but alright. Guys, I like to know when I mentioned the 100-year project. Can I have pictures from 1,000,001 Menschen do? Oh, jeder einer geht uns an interessant in 100 Jahren von jetzt. Come on. Okay. China built. Husen picture. Alrighty. Nu end ik de conclusion van hand. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you definitely enjoyed. And we think same with the next one.